Hi there, students. To convene, particularly in the collocation, to convene a meeting. So, to come together, to meet, or to cause to meet. So it's to have an assembly, to call a meeting of a group of people, usually for a public purpose. The secretary convened a meeting of the directors of the company to discuss the situation. Notice, to convene, this is quite a formal word, yeah? Just means to meet together, to call a meeting, to program a meeting, an assembly. Notice the word can go in both directions. He convened a meeting of the members convened in London. So either to come together or to bring together. The students convened in the gymnasium to discuss the school dance. Okay, so it's effectively the calling of a meeting. It doesn't always have to be a meeting. It can just mean to meet together as well. You could say something like, why don't we all convene in the pub after work and have a few drinks? The word's a bit formal for that, but it would work. Let's see, to convene, I would probably give a 7.5 informality. I wouldn't use it in an informal conversation. Well, maybe just as in the example I just gave, but more normally to meet, yeah? This is much better for something semi-formal or very formal. Okay, so to convene. The members of the club convened. The players of the team convened. Okay, met together, yeah? Normally as well, this is like an official word calling the meeting. I think you can also use this in legal English, meaning he was convened to come before the judge on Monday morning, but I would probably use programmed or called or something like that. Notice as well, to convene is a regular verb. Convene, convened, he has convened the meeting. And remember, it's a fairly formal word as well. So, to convene, to come together, to have an assembly. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To convene.